My journey into wedding photography started in Niagara Falls, Ontario when I was 17. I remember like it was yesterday. I got an email from a guy that was really excited to propose to his girlfriend. He asked me, "Hey Jeremy, do you want to drive down to Niagara Falls, capture me proposing to my girlfriend underneath the fireworks at 10 o'clock at night?" The plan was I was going to meet at this park at 10 o'clock at night when the fireworks were going to go off. Nothing else was set in stone. I was just going to capture the moment, and whatever happens, happens. It was 5 minutes before 10 when the fireworks were going off, and I saw them holding hands walking towards the park. Once the fireworks were going, he got on one knee, pulled out the box, showed her the ring, and I was just taking photos of every single moment. What happened in 10 minutes felt like 1 minute to me. Being able to capture a moment like that that's starting the next chapter of their lives was so fulfilling for me. More and more amazing humans were contacting me wanting to propose under the fireworks, and they wanted me to capture it. And this is what started the next chapter of my life, which is capturing experiences, moments, and human interactions. It's important to me that our time is fun, laid back, while capturing modern artwork for you to relive for the rest of your life. That is why I wake up every day and love what I do, and I am so thankful for that. My name is Jeremy Daly. I'm a photographer, I make humans laugh in front of my camera, and I like capturing experiences, moments, and human interactions. I look forward to sharing many more memories to come.